Good morning to all. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay? Okay, before starting every good events, what do you want to do? We want to start with a silent prayer, isn't it? We want to start with a prayer. Not silent prayer, we want to start with a prayer. But here we are doing what? Silent prayer. All of you, sit straight, close your eyes. Let's have a silent prayer. Together with that, we want to do meditation. For that, all of you sit straight in your place. Keep chin mudra and close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, all of you are feeling fresh, isn't it? Yes. Shall we move to your class? Okay. Last class, we deal with the poem Squirrel, isn't it? So, children, last class teacher informed you that we were dealing with the textbook, our course book, which means honeycomb, isn't it? This week also we were going to deal with the same text itself, which means honeycomb. It's first chapter, 3 questions. But in this today's session, we were dealing only with the first unit of that chapter's first unit we were going to deal. Okay. So keep in mind, hope you understand what I have told you. Okay, this week also, same like from the course book, we were going to deal with the chapter. Before that, let me ask you one question. Okay, question is just like this. What are the qualities of a good leader? Question once again. What are the qualities of a good leader? You may happen to hear the word called leadership qualities. My question is just like this. What are the qualities? Which all qualities were inhibited in a good leader? Can you answer? Ask you the question, what are the qualities of a good leader? Let's have a look on the board. See, a good leader must have self-awareness about himself. These all were the qualities of what good leader. First one, he should be self-aware about himself. Then he should be, and his attitude should be positive. Positive attitude he should have to. Then he should be a good communicator and good listener too. He should be a good communicator. Together with that, he should be a good listener too. He should respect himself together with others. Yes, leader should have to respect himself together with others. Then he should have the emotions just like empathy. He should be honest, gratitude, courage. These all were the simple tips that a good leader must follow. So these all were the qualities of a good leader. Got it? So you got the point. What are the qualities of a good leader? Isn't it? Yes. You know what our former president APJ Abdul Kalam, missile man of India, told about the leadership? Yes. He told about leadership just like a leader should know how to manage failure. A leader should know how to manage failure. So a leader should be a person who know how to manage failures. So most often in a game or whatever it is, we met with failures together with that we win also, right? But both we want to cope up in a proper situation. That person will have what? A good leadership quality. So that was the thought by whom? That was the thought by APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay? Let's move to the chapter. Before that, let me make you familiar with the person who wrote this story. His name is Leo Tolstoy, a famous writer. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian writer who is regarded as one of the greatest authors of all time. Born to an aristocratic Russian family in 9th September 1828, he is best known for the novel War and Peace. War and Peace and Anna Karenina. Anna Karenina, often cited as pinnacle of realistic fiction. He received multiple nominations for the Nobel Prize in every year from 1902 to 1906. Leo Tolstoy fiction includes dozens of short stories and several novels. He also wrote plays and numerous philosophic essays. So you got who is Leo Tolstoy. He was a famous writer. Today we were going to deal with his story called Three Questions. Three Questions is the name of the story. Okay? So, questions. Yes, would you like to hear a story? Yes. Three questions for the story of an able king. Every time this king think about how to improve the facilities of his people or how to make developments in his throne. So always he was thinking about his kingdom and his wealth. This king is thinking about his kingdom, his people and his throne. Okay. Then later, whenever he was thinking about these all things, once he happened to meet with three questions. And he thinks that if he got answer for these questions, surely he can rule his country in a more rigid and wide manner, which makes him to find out answers for these questions. You want to know which all questions it is? Yes. Questions were just like this. What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? So three questions were there. First one it is, what is the right time to begin something? Second question, which people should he listen to? Third question, what is the most important thing for him to do? Is the three questions that he asked to others. So he spread news around his kingdom for getting answers for this question, and he proclaimed just like he will give a huge reward for the persons who find out answers for these three questions. By hearing the name of reward or sack of gold, what happened? A lot of people came from here and there, from all around the country. A lot of persons, wise men, scholars and educated people all together came there to the court and gave answers for the questions. There were three questions I told you. First question, for the first, yes, the king happened to hear the answers just like this. Yes. He want to make a timetable, obey it strictly. He want to follow that timetable strictly was the response of one wise man. Second one told just like that there is no right time for doing something. So what you want to do? Whenever you are feeling that you want to do that thing in a proper way, you want to do at that time. That was the answer for the second wise man. Third wise man, he told just like that he want to appoint a council of wise men. So each wise man can give different answers. From that he can offer the better answer. Like that one wise man told. But he was not ready to accept that, because if it is a sudden response he want, he can't wait for all these responses. Then next person, next wise man, once he told this like, he want to appoint a magician, because he is a person who know the things which is going to happen. He can predict which all things will happen in the future. So he want to appoint a magician in his court. That was the answers for the first question. For the second question, some persons told just like this, king want to give more importance for the counselors. He want to listen to them. But next person told he want, no, not the counselors. He want to give his ears to whom? Priests. But some persons not agreed with that. They told that doctors were the most important persons that king want to obey. But at last, some persons told king want to listen to for the soldiers, because they were the guardians of that country. So king want to give more importance for whom? Soldiers. For these answers also king was not satisfied. For the second question's answers also king was not satisfied. Then came the third question. Third question, it was, what was the third question? What was the most important thing for him to do? Isn't it? Some persons told, some wise men told, some scholarly persons told just like that, science is the most important thing. But some persons told, no, religious matters were the most important thing that they want to. Other persons told what fighting or giving importance for the soldiers were the most important thing or most important thing that they want to think about. Like that, some other persons told. But whenever he was getting these answers, our king was not at all satisfied. So our king got a lot of answers, but he was not satisfied. He was thinking about how we will get an answer which suits for his mind. After some days, he happened to hear about a hermit. You know who is hermit? Hermit is a noble person, a scholarly person who lives in a hut, who lives alone in a hut. Hermit is a noble person who lives alone in a hut. Hermit, one more meaning is there, a crab which is having shell on his body. Got it? That is also called what? Hermit. But our hermit is what? A noble person who lead a simple life, who lives alone in a hut. So our king happened to hear about a hermit who lives in a hut in the woods. Woods, which means what? Small forest. So our king became happy and he decided to meet this hermit. But our hermit, he have a condition. He would like to meet only with or deals with ordinary people. For that, what did our king do? He decided to avoid his luxurious clothes for meeting this hermit. For that, he wore ordinary clothes. And after that, when he reached near to the woods, he ordered his guards and horse to stand there itself to follow the king. Because if they follow the king, the hermit would happen to know that who is this person. Isn't it? So he ordered this like that. Later, what happened? Our king reached near to the hermit. At that time, what he is doing? At that time, the hermit was digging small beds in the ground. By seeing this king, what did the hermit do? He smiled at him. He greets him by smiling. Same like the king also done just like that itself. Later, without wasting time, the king told about the matter why he reached there. He started to ask the questions. He told just like this, my dear hermit, actually I reached here for knowing about some of my questions were there in my mind. I want to get the answer for that questions. What was the question? What was the right time to do something? Whom he want to listen? What was the first thing that he want to do? These were the 3 questions. By hearing the question, the hermit having answer instead of a smile. Then the king stand for a while. At that time, he happened to see the poor old hermit is walking. Our king is so kind. So what did he do? He offered help. He asked to the hermit, shall I do your work? Instead of you, shall I dig a bed for you? Then the hermit accept his offer. Instead of hermit, who dig the ground? Yes, our king. After digging 2 beds, he repeated the question which he asked earlier. Hermit having answer for his question. By seeing this, the king continued with his work. Within the few time, the sun goes behind the trees, which means it is going to sunset. The birds got to nest. Again, our king repeated the question to him, but he haven't answered. So, when both of them standing just like this, they happened to hear a call for help. Who's calling? It was a call by a wooden man. So this is the end of your first unit. Teacher already informed you that for this session I will only deal with the first unit of your first chapter. Okay, shall we move to question answer session? Yes. Which are the 3 questions that asked by the king? Which are the 3 questions? First one, what was the right time to begin something? Second question, yes, to whom he want to listen to. Third one, what was the first thing that he want to do? These were the 3 questions. What was the answer given by the wise man for the second question? What was the answer given by the wise man for the second question? What was the answer? The answer given by the wise man were the important person, counselors. The next wise man told, what did he told? Priest. Others told doctor, and none other than soldiers too, isn't it? So they gave answer just like this 4 sets, which means counselors, priests, doctors, and soldiers were the most important man, isn't it? For them, he want to give his ears. He want to obey what these person told. But the king was not satisfied with the answers, isn't it? Okay. My next question is just like this. What was the answer given by the wise man for the third question? What was the answer? Yes, some wise man told it is science he want to take first. Then other wise man told, what did they told? It is religious scripts that he want to follow. Others told that it is fight we want to give importance. Yes, that's that. Okay, I think all of you got the portion which I have took, which means first unit. Today we deal with the first unit. Today I am dealing only with the first unit of your chapter. Read the chapter in a proper way, which makes you easy for studying your question answers. Okay. Answers of this unit, which means comprehension check there, isn't it? Its answers teacher will send you through WhatsApp. Okay. Study well. Write the notes on that day itself, which means today, if I took the class today itself, you want to write down the notes. Okay, one information that I want to pass to you, it is just like this. You want to send the picture of the notes that you have written in your notebook. Last week I gave some notes for you. Other than that, this week also I gave some notes for you. All together I will inform you which notes I want that you want to send through WhatsApp. Okay, wait until you will get an information. Got it? Okay, so it's time for winding up session. Hope all of you got the points which I have took in this week. Thank you.